Welcome. Today we are going to be taking an introductory look at Product Structure Editor. Found within the 3D Product Architect role, Product Structure Editor gives users the ability to create new engineering structures, validate designs, and release items all from one browser-based application. Existing platform items are easily added to the dashboard with a simple click and drag. Once added, they are visible in the accompanying 3D Compose app. When selecting on an item in 3D Compose, the corresponding item is highlighted within the Product Structure Editor. With the ability to hide and show individual items, it is easy to validate new design changes. Newly added items can then quickly be added to an existing engineering structure. Selection filters make selecting only the entities we want simple, and established click and drag techniques easily position the item within the assembly. Snapping the positioning robot onto an item gives users the additional ability to fine-tune the location and highlight potential clearance issues within our assembly. With the items added and positioned, it is determined a new engineering structure is required. Rather than starting over, selecting the duplicate command gives users the ability to create a new structure on the fly. Individual items can be selected to be reused, duplicated, or excluded from the new structure. Duplicated items are renamed, and the new engineering structure is created and added to the Product Structure Editor dashboard. Using customizable filter options, we can easily sort and organize our structure. Before releasing our new items, we will want to assign part numbers. Selecting our items and right mouse button click gives us access to menu items, and our pre-configured part number scheme is set. The final step is to release our items for production. Using the bottom toolbar, we have quick access to make maturity state changes, and our items are released. Product Structure Editor brings the power to validate design changes and create new products to your browser wherever you are.